manatili kayong malakas at hindi magpapakatagal palagi kahit na
nilalapitan ko man ito ang tubig na pinagawa.
They just don't understand. But often doing what is right means we must take a stand. But I'm not the one who bore the pain, who sacrificed it all. So what I'm giving back to me seems very small. I wanna be a woman after God's own heart. I wanna be a woman after God's own heart. I might stumble, I might fall, but I'll remember through it all to be a woman after God's own heart. You never said it would come
Jesus Kristo na aming Diyos at kasapagitan. Ito ang aming nalangin. Amen and amen.
where you found me and realize how much you care. Problems seem to disappear when I keep this my prayer. I wanna be a woman after
Sa bawat mensahe kami nagpapalago. Pagpapala ka ng Diyos sa aming lahat. Pag-ibig niya sa iyo, hindi kailanman